Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, my hair is a bit of a trim. Needs a trim. It's very puffy. Anyway, I'm gonna put it back here so no one can judge me. I'm gonna do a Lush face mask. My face has been like breaking out and stuff like that, and I've been using this for the last week. It is Don't Look at Me. Don't look at me. What you looking at? I'm looking at you. You looking at me? I'm looking at you. What you talking about? And it's well pretty. Like, look at that consistency. Like, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna use.
Dumb. You are really dumb.
I just dropped everything. Like. So yeah, smooth a generous layer of this vibrant blue mask over the face and or the body or both. I got a wink. Allow to sink in for 10 minutes before rinsing off. So yeah, let's do this. I'm in love with this mask. I'm just letting everyone know. Like, I am literally in love with this mask. Like, don't look at me. You're gonna wanna look at me after you see my face. Sometimes you just deserve to have like a great face mask. And this is one of them. We got my cousin, China, for always bringing me the best goods for the Lush. Big up her. It's still quite full for me using it for a week. But yeah. Using it for a week, but like every other day. Because like it's not good to do a face mask every day. Well, my skin. Everyone's skin's different. For my skin, I think my face will end up breaking out if I did it every day. My face will be like, what's going on here? You treating me too nice? Too nice. Sometimes you gotta be mean, you know? That tough love. Tough love. I'm getting in my eyebrows that I don't have. I don't have eyebrows, guys. You know I pencil it in. Yeah, don't judge me. I said it. Don't judge me. I'm gonna leave this in. Ooh. For about 15 minutes. I lied. My cousin picked it up. She picked it up, but China picked it up. Yeah, she picked it up at Westfield, White City, Lush. Big up yourself. Big up them. So yeah, don't look at me, but look at them. Go and get this. No, I'm joking. No, yeah, definitely go and get this. I really love this. 15 minutes because I'm not gonna sit here with you guys and chat and canoodle and gallivant on talking to you guys. So no, I've got clothes to wash. I've got to sweep. I've got to wash the wares, which is dishes. I need to do a lot of things, you know. I don't want my mom coming down here and being like, hey, girl, what you doing? You know you got chores. Even though I don't live here, but yeah, still got chores. What you talking about? I'm gonna be backcountry because like going in the bathroom and filming is not an option right now. And this has been like 20 minutes, so it's not an option. Like, look at that.
Remember?
Got that water, yeah, got that water. Got that water, yeah, got that water. Got that water.
Coming off too good. Yeah, it just slides right off your face. Country girl, come to the city. City girl, come to the country. I'm from London, I'm not no country. Yo! Oh, the blasphemy. The blasphemy. Oh, how dare you? Come on. Look at you embarrassing me. Well, I don't get to wash my face. I think I'm just gonna wash my legs. It's getting a bit dry here, you can see, but like this is no grease. It's literally completely cleared my forehead. I had like a rash from stress, and like here you can see the little pimples and stuff, and it's completely like cleared it. So I really, really, really love this Don't Look At Me product. It's like the best thing. Sorry, lips are dry. Lips are dry. Lick your lips. Yeah. So I really like this product, but like, yeah, try it out for yourself. Let me know what's going on with you, and I'm gonna update you on this in another a week. See you in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Pick up yourself 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and I'll see you in my next video. And I'll see you in my next video. You better come back. You better come back. Yeah, you better come back.